Hey, how's it going? In this video, I want to go over the reports generator. So if you click on the reports section, you will see all the reports that you've created. In this particular case, I've created one, and you can view it, edit it, or trash it, or create a campaign when you're done with it. So let's go ahead and edit this report. It's pretty simple to use. You just basically, you can do whatever you want here. Let me go ahead and trash a couple of these blocks. Okay, what I'm doing is I'm removing the data inside. All right, I'm going to leave that one there for now. So it's pretty simple. All you want to do to begin with is click here to add a container. You can do like half containers, like, okay, so this one's down here, but I want to move it up here. I can, and I'm going to go ahead and put in, maybe page speed, and maybe put in is mobile friendly. And it looks a little bit off, but okay, I may not want to have it look like that. But I can if I want, or if I don't like it at all, I can remove it. I'm going to leave it there for now. Let me go ahead and remove that right there and maybe try something else. Unclaimed GMB. How does that look there? Yeah, pretty wild. Not so great. You may want to use that in a 1x1 container. You can do whatever you want here. But let me go ahead and create another. You know what? I'm just going to pull this one right here up. I like to start by creating them like this. So this is the website information. So I've got my name, who I am, who I'm targeting, and then perhaps I want to put in a message to them and let them know why I'm contacting them. So I can do that by bringing up the custom HTML right here, and then I can edit it. And this is your basic WYSIWYG editor. You can do whatever you want here. All right, make it as big as you want. You can put images, you can put video, you can put you can go to code view and put in pixels for remarketing. Stop. This is just your basic HTML editor right there. There's videos, pictures, all that right there. You can go in here and you basically just type, hello, I am sending you this report to help with your marketing because your site's no good. Do whatever you want there, and then you can give them a message. Maybe a video works well here. Anything you can do to really convey to the business owner that you're targeting that you've taken the time to really analyze their website. Well, it's going to look like you took a lot of time to analyze their website, but we all know that it's pretty well automated, and we're just dropping in elements that we want on this site. But spend some time here and craft a really good professional message to let the business owner know that you've taken the time to check them out and you want them to know certain things about their website that you could possibly help them with. All right, so you can put anything you want in these places. Ranked keywords is always very good to have in here if you're targeting them on a specific SEO page. You can target specific keywords. If you don't like one of these, you can always remove it. You can remove the keyword right here. Let's say blog press, and we'll go ahead and remove that. Dr. Preston Chiropractic, that's probably one of his good keywords. Chiropractors Preston is probably a good keyword. His positions are here. This also squeezes out like this, so they can also scroll across and see all these things. So maybe your message is purely about, hey, you're in position 9 for this keyword. With a little bit of effort, I can move you up to number 1. Okay. Volume, if the volume is there, this is a 390. They're in position 16. That's page 2 or page 3. 0 through 9 is page 1. 10 to 20 is page 2. So page 2 for this guy right here. All right, Chiropractors Preston. A little bit of work. Maybe he gets up to page 1. Who already likes him a little bit. So ranked keywords is always, a very good foot in the door strategy to talk to someone about. This is also the button. You can change anything you want on this button, customize it. So you can change the color, the text, the redirect URL. If you leave this blank, it's going to redirect to our page, which looks like this. Okay, but you can change this image. You can change what this says right here. You can put their name in here. You can put their picture of their website in here, anything you want to do, and all that's done. Oops. You go back to this page right here, and So right here, redirect URL. If you leave it blank, it goes to our default. Here's the form image on the next page. Here's the form heading on the next page. And here's the form text on the next page on ours. Or if you just want to redirect them to your own website with your own contact us, then that's fine too. Or your own custom page that you built with ClickFunnels, go ahead and do that as well. So very, very customizable on the report section. And anytime you make changes, you just save your changes. The other thing we have over here is the settings page. You will need to select a domain. You can either select the domain that we have, digitallandlord.network. I would use white label and create your own subdomain off of your marketing agency, like reports.marketingagency.com, or your brand, whatever it is. I would create your own domain to use for your report, because you don't want to use SERPScout, and you may or may not want to use digitallandlord.network. This one's actually used. This is one that we use for our rank and rent projects. And we just allowed it global for everyone to use if they don't have their own domain. So that's also available. You can select different themes. See the clouds coming in right here. You can select midnight here. Not sure exactly what that did. There's different, the cubes are down here. All right, there's this gradient stuff going on here, so you can change the colors. Radial, linear, direction, all these things right here. You can play around with this and dress up this form as best you like, and then click Save Changes. You can always preview the report, download the HTML of this page. Pretty cool. And then you can attach it to some emails if you want. And this will come out in HTML. I can download it right there. And I think that's basically it. Back to customize. This is something in the works here. Copy from. You can select a report from your old reports, duplicate, and then edit. This is really cool. This actually just got added. I'm actually just now seeing it. I remember talking about it, and lo and behold, there it is. So you can actually use an old report and then edit from there. So very cool feature there, because creating these reports does take a little bit of time and thought. And once you get one you like, you can save it and then copy from there. So yeah, just play around with this. It's really simple to use. It's all drag and drop. There's not really a whole lot to do there. And it's a very, 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 very good report to use to get people to understand what their problems are. So use it. Thanks a lot. Bye.